Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna dig deep in her beautiful frame. I don't know where to start. I don't want to start. I don't want to take anything out of here. It's so beautiful. Look at this. What this chipboard. Love you. Oh my goodness. Yes, I do. Kat, you are so awesome. I believe she made these because these look like my sandwiches, her signature faces. So she has 2 of them. She gave me 2 purple hearts. I love it. Super cute, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna clip you onto here. How about that? And see if you stay. There we go. Right there. I don't know where to pull. Okay. This is a 4x4 accordion album. Oh my god. It's already pre-decorated for you. So all you have to do is just put in your photos. And it comes with the closure ribbon. Sweetheart 4x4, and this is by Cloud9 Design. Cloud9 Design by Fiskars. Okay. And if the sounds different, it's because I moved you way up high. Okay. Look at this gorgeous pocket, guys. All these trims. It is just, she is unbelievable. Like, look at all this detail. Mixed media. So this is fabric and this is paper. This is all paper, glitter paper, and then she has paper on top of the pocket also. And, all the trim and ribbon. She is a phenomenal, I say, artist because this is beautiful. This is Paper Craft Love XOXO. So you guys probably also seen these. These are I want to say acrylic type. Yeah. So she sent me some of those. Gorgeous. I love this. Oh, I love that so much. Look at this. These are heart. Okay, it says double-sided tags by Sharon Sonif. And they're all just heart tags with the metal edging. And on the back sides, they're just the same, paper. Gorgeous. Love it. I love it. Oh, wow. Valentine paper cupcakes. Oh my gosh, Kat. You did too much, my dear. You sent me so much before. Like, I can't. Wow. I appreciate it so much. Dear Lizzie, oh, are these, dimensional embellishments. Gorgeous. Oh, and they have it on the back. You could use it for card making. Gorgeous. Thank you, Kat. Ah! Stop it. Oh my god, are these acrylic? Oh my god, this is by Hallmark. Yes, so we share a love for Star Wars, her and I, and superheroes, because OMG. Oh, I love it. Han Solo, Princess Leia. This is the original crew right here. Yes. Woo, love it. Sorry guys, I'm too excited. And then, oh, so cute. She sent me some bows. Lovely. And they have the stickers ready for you to use. You just pull them out of there. Gorgeous. Home Sweet Home, Live, Love, Laugh. And these are peel and stick. Very cute. Thank you, Kat. Thank you so much. Love, love, love the sequins. So it goes from red to silver to black. Very cute. Oh, I love that. That is a awesome find. Cute. La 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 la. OMG. OMG. All I can say. So this is the Love Collection Reminisce. These are just stickers, Valentine stickers. Very cute. More Reminisce from the same collection. Look at that. Look at the little calendar. Super cute. Awesome. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is full. Oh, the cat. Okay, dear. Perfect. Stickers. More stickers. Love it. Oh, yes. Look at that. So cute. Look at this. Look at that color combination. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Yes, words. Words, oh words, oh words, words, words. Miss Cat, thank you so much. Oh my God. This is so unbelievably generous. I can't speak. But this is going to be used very well. Love, love, love it all. You guys, please check out Kat's channel. She's Lilly Thimble here on YouTube. She is an amazing artist. I mean, if you don't believe me, look at her. Look at her art. This is gorgeous. I don't know how I'm going to display this because I want to display both sides. It's going to have to take turns. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful work of art. I could not hold a candle to her work. I would have to take a class from her. Seriously, I would have to take a class from her because this is too much. I wouldn't even know where to begin. It's so beautiful. And I think this is a frame. I want to say it's a frame. But yeah, it looks like it because there's wood there. And yeah, so please, please check her channel out. Thank you, Miss Cat, and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I'll be thinking of you, my dear friend. And when you receive my package, I hope it could put a smile on your face as much as you put a smile on mine. This is gorgeous, and you have no doubt that this is going to be hanging somewhere where I can see it every day. I might even put it in my kitchen. Love you, Cat. Love you guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.